Are you looking to elevate your brand identity with a sleek and modern touch? Introducing our collection of 10 minimalist monogram logo templates. With these professionally designed logo templates, you can effortlessly create a striking monogram logo that represents your business or personal brand. Each template is meticulously crafted with minimalist aesthetics in mind, ensuring a clean and sophisticated look that resonates with your target audience. Whether you're a creative professional, an entrepreneur, or a small business owner, these logo templates provide you with endless possibilities to make a lasting impression. Customizing these templates is a breeze. With just a few clicks, you can change colors, fonts, and shapes to match your brand's style and personality. From fashion and beauty to technology and finance, these minimalist monogram logos are perfect for any industry. Stand out from the crowd and make your mark with an elegant and timeless logo design. So why wait? Elevate your brand identity today with our 10 minimalist monogram logo templates. Visit our website now, and unlock the power of minimalism.